Hey friends, here is some interesting mini speaker that I have ordered. This JBL mini speaker with a shiny and smooth designs, which is green in color, that I ordered right now under 400. You can see, if you want to buy, then you can buy. It's very affordable. And friends, not only that, if you want to buy, then you can check the link under the description. So let's review it. So friends, after I check out this box, here you can see it's mini Bose 4 metal speaker. So now let's check out this speaker. So here is the mini speaker. After I check out it, here you can see it's too small and too cuteness. You can buy it. Look at here. This is UBL, and if you want to look from the back, then here is the back side. You can even charge it, and the power on off button is here. Okay. So right now, if you don't know how to connect, then you can watch this. Right now I'm going to show you how to connect. You just need to tap on M3, then here tap on connect. But if not connecting, then first of all friends, you just tap on back, then here take your speaker and turn off your speaker by just pressing on it. Again you have to press to turn on it. Okay, then here you can see it's turn on. After turn on friends, you have to move on this Bluetooth. Then from here you have to check out this pair new devices. Then you can select this DBL speaker. Here's the DBL speaker. You just need to tap on DBL speaker. After that, tap on M3. Then here it has been connected. Okay, after it's connected, let's play music.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bro. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out and moving rock.
Friends, I'm really happy to buy this mini metal speaker. And friends, if you also interested, then you can check the link under the description. And friends, hope you love the video. And if you love it, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.